Hi everyone, in this video, we're unboxing our 40th anniversary collection. If you're interested in premium tea, make sure to subscribe to our channel for new videos like this one each week. Established by my parents in 1985, we are proud to mark Red Blossom's 40th year in business. Working directly with farmers and craftspeople in China and Taiwan, we've dedicated ourselves to sourcing the finest teas these regions have to offer, focusing on provenance, variety, season, and craft as our guide to the best crops. Our 40th anniversary collection is a celebration of our history, highlighting 4 of our finest teas from across these 4 decades of sourcing. Included in the box, you'll find 1 ounce of each tea, in total enough for about a month of daily sipping. The first tea is our finest Dragon Well, the earliest harvest green tea we offer. Crafted in mid-March from the very first crop of newly sprouted leaf buds, our finest Dragon Well marks the beginning of the spring tea season each year and is a pinnacle grade example of green tea. The combination of early harvested leaf buds and gentle pan roasting results in a wonderfully balanced flavor with notes of snap pea and brown butter. The second tea is our Heritage Beidou, a rare harvest of charcoal roasted oolong tea from the heart of the Wuyi Mountains in Fujian province. Heritage Beidou is crafted from a lineage of tea trees descended from the original Da Hongpao mother plants, the most revered tea from this region. This tea is produced near Ma Tou Yan or Horsehead Cliff in the center of the prized Zheng Yan or True Cliff region, then carefully roasted in the traditional style over Long Yan fruitwood charcoal to develop layers of caramelization. The result is a rich toasted flavor profile that offers notes of toffee and whiskey cask, with a finish reminiscent of dry tropical fruit and flowers. The next 2 teas in the box are rare aged harvests from our private collection that we've never released publicly until now. The first is our aged Tieguanyin 1997, an aged oolong from the hills of Anxi County in southern Fujian province. This traditionally crafted Tieguanyin was harvested in 1997, then given a medium oxidation and a gentle charcoal roast before quietly aging here in San Francisco for nearly 3 decades. The resulting taste is truly captivating with the delicate structure and aromatic flavor profile of tropical fruit, gardenia, marzipan, and gentle minerality. The final variety is Aged Orchid, a unique dark tea from China's Anhui province. Until now, we've only offered this crop to very select fine dining restaurants like 3 Michelin-star Ben Nu in San Francisco. Aged Orchid is crafted from a base of Liuan Heicha, a traditional post-fermented tea style, which was then scented with impossibly small and aromatic zulan or pearl orchid flowers. The resulting flavor profile offers a delicious counterpoint between light and dark, with a foundation of rich mineral and earth tones, contrasted by the fragrant gardenia-like flavor of pearl orchid. It's an incredibly elegant flavor and one of our favorite teas to enjoy as a post-meal digestif. For the best taste, we recommend preparing all of these teas in the traditional gongfu method, and brewing suggestions are included on the packets for each variety. To learn more about our full range of premium tea, visit redblossomtea.com. Make sure you leave a like and comment below if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on future videos.